So study we have discussed the adaptation which is found in the polar region animals like penguin and polar bears. So just see, in polar bears what is their temperature is extremely low. That is why their survival was difficult, and they got adapted to that region because of certain characteristics or body features they developed over the long period of time. Now the extremely different, entirely different from polar region. Now next region is tropical rainforest region. So what are the characteristics of tropical rainforest region? What kind of surrounding, what kind of environment, what kind of climatic conditions are prevail in tropical rainforest? I have summarized here. Actually, tropical rainforest region, it is mostly found near the equator. This region is very near to the equator. Since it is very near to the equator, so the temperature is very high in this region. Temperature is very high. Third important thing is the length of day and night are almost equal. Means what is there? If 12 hour day is there, 12 hours night will also be there. So the day and night duration is almost same only. And the specific feature of this area is high rainfall is there. Always rainfall is there. So because of high rainfall, availability of water is more. That is why plants grow enormously in this area. A lot of plant vegetation is there. That is why they are very dense forest. In these areas, very dense forests are there. And because of dense forest availability, big animals are also found like elephant. Because they will get very nice height, very suitable height for them. Not only this one, availability of the food is also very high in this area. Wide variety of plants and animals are found in this area. And since wide variety of plants and animals are found in this area, so there is a very tough competition for the food and shelter. Very tough competition among the animals. Not only among the animals, among the plants also a lot of competition is there for the minerals, for the water, for solar energy. A tough competition is there. So unlike polar region, here the availability of food and availability of animals, availability of plant is more. But since the number is more, so competition is also very high for these things. Plants cannot survive without the water and minerals. Plant cannot survive without the solar energy. That is why competition must be prevailed, and those who are the fit for that reason, they can only grow in those areas. Let it be animals or let it be plants. So dear cadets, now this is the time to discuss what kinds of animals are found in the tropical rainforest. So the name of animals found in tropical rainforest. Animals found in tropical rainforest region. So the first animal which is found in tropical rainforest is lion-tailed macaque. Next one is elephant. Third one is toucan bird and red-eyed tree frog. So just see, they have got certain body features. They have adapted themselves to survive in the tropical rainforest. So one by one, I will discuss their body features. Because of them, they could survive in those areas. So what are their body features? What are their habits by which they are getting the food easily and surviving there successfully? So we'll discuss lion-tailed macaque. Next one is elephant, toucan bird and red-eyed tree frog. So one by one we'll discuss.
In adaptations in red-eyed frog, development of sticky pads to climb and live on trees have helped red-eyed tree frog to adopt tropical region. Adaptations in monkeys. They have long tail, hand and feet, which help them to hold the branches easily. Adaptations in toucan, a long, large beak that helps it to reach the fruits on the branches, which are too weak to support its weight. Adaptations in lion-tailed macaque, bearded. It has a silver white mane which surrounds its head from the cheeks down to its chin. As it spends a major part of its life on the trees, it is adapted as a climber. It feeds on fruits, seeds, young leaves, stems, flower and insects.
So dear cadets, what are the body features which make them to survive in the tropical rainforest? First one is lion-tailed macaque. In lion-tailed macaque, what is there? Their tail is very long, so it can catch hold the trees branches, and it can survive on the trees only. It is arboreal animal. So that is their body features. Because of that, it can survive on trees. Elephant I will discuss later on. Now toucan bird beak is very long, and long beak help to catch hold the fruits. So very easily it can survive in those areas because due to the availability of large plants, fruits are also available in abundance. Red-eyed tree frog. In red-eyed tree frog, what is there? Sticky pads are there. So these sticky pads help it to catch hold the branches of tree. That is why it can survive on trees. Next one is the monkey. You know their tail is very long, and not only this one, their claws are also very strong. Because of that, they can hold the branches very firmly and they can survive. Now, the special animal which is found in the tropical rainforest, will discuss their body features and adaptation separately. Dear cadets, now adaptation in elephants. You know elephant is very large, very big animal which is found in the tropical rainforest. So how it is surviving in those areas? Because of certain body features. Just see. Trunk as a nose. So you know the trunk of elephant is the modified nose. And what is the use of this trunk? It picks up food and other things. Very easily it can smell the availability of food because of this trunk. Next one is the tusk, modified teeth. This tusk is modified teeth to tear the bark of trees. This tusk is modified teeth and their use is to tear the bark of trees. In this way, it will get the sufficient food. The another one is elephant has got the large ears. What is the use of those large ears? The large ears to hear soft sounds and help to keep the body cool. So what is the function of large ears? It can hear the soft sound also, and in this way it can make them alert toward the predators also. Another important function of this one is in tropical rainforest temperature is very high, humidity is also very high. So with the help of those large ears, it can cool down their body, especially in the head area. So in this way, because of these body features, elephants can survive in the tropical rainforest successfully. Now let us have one animation to understand the adaptability of elephant in tropical rainforest region.
Elephants are the largest living land mammals. They have a number of features that help them to survive different habitats. The presence of such special features that enables the animals to survive in different habitats is called adaptation. The most prominent adaptation in an elephant is its trunk. The trunk is the elongation of the nose and the upper limbs. An elephant manipulates food and brings it to its mouth by using its trunk. The trunk has numerous tiny muscles that allow the elephant to grasp and eat all sorts of vegetation like tree foliage, branches, and twigs. An elephant needs a huge quantity of food and water to live. That is why a large herd of elephants is generally found mainly in food-rich areas. The elephant uses the trunk as a suction device to draw water, which is then squirted into the mouth for drinking. The trunk can hold around 4 liters of water. An elephant can drink about 200 liters of water in a day and survive for 2 weeks without water. It also uses the trunk as a shower with various pressure settings to spray water for cooling its body and serving the purpose of basic hygiene at the same time. It has the largest nose in the world. Hence, it is not surprising that an elephant is thought to have the best sense of smell among animals. It constantly moves its trunk in the air in every direction for recognizing the smells to determine the location of its group, enemies, and food sources. Other adaptive features in an elephant is its tusk, which is actually an elongated incisor. The elephants use their tusks for various purposes like stripping the bark of a tree that they love to eat. Thus, they are capable of handling competition for food with other animals. It is not easy for an elephant to go unnoticed because of its body weight and size. The large surface area of its feet supports its weight and the soft, elastic layers, which form the sole act as shock absorbers and help them to move silently. One of the best self-cooling features that an elephant has is its ears. By flapping its huge ears, an elephant can lower its blood temperature by more than 5 degrees Celsius or 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Elephants live in different habitats, from the tropical rainforests to desert regions. The so-called desert elephants, which live in the desert, have some more unique adaptations to their hot, dry, and sandy environment. The temperature in this region is very hot. Even the small animals find it difficult to survive. Desert elephants have evolved their own efficient cooling mechanisms. They are less hairy and have wrinkled skin. The wrinkled skin increases the surface area, which allows more heat to escape and hence helps a desert elephant in keeping its body temperature low. Due to the scarcity of water in a hot region, a desert elephant uses its trunk to spray mud as a substitute of water onto its back for cooling its body. Spraying mud on the body also protects it from flies and ticks. Thus, during the process of evolution, elephants had adapted, survived, and thrived successfully in their habitats. They are the largest living land animals on Earth today.
So dear cadets, now this is the time to recap the things which we have learned today. So we have started with the tropical rainforest area. So as you know, the tropical rainforest area is having high rainfall, very high temperature, but the availability of food is more because of the large number of trees. So I taught you in tropical rainforest region features. Now I told you how many types of animals are found basically in those areas. So I told you elephant is found, talking bird is found, lion-tailed macaque is found, now monkey is found, red-eyed tree frog is found. So these animals are surviving because of their certain body features, and one by one I taught you what are their body features. Another important thing, that elephant is the very large animal, very big animal, and it is very successfully surviving in those areas because of certain body features. So what were their body features? It has got the tusk, that is the modified teeth, and with the help of that strong teeth it can tear the bark of trees. Now it has got the trunk also. What is trunk here? Trunk is nothing but a modified nose. So that trunk help it to smell the food. Not only this one, if small animals are there, so it with the help of that nose it can set them apart. Now another body feature of elephant is big ears. With the help of big ears it can cool down their body, and it can hear very soft sound also. And you know, since their body is very large, so whenever predators are coming, then what is there? It cannot run very fastly. So if it can hear very soft sound, it can manage their height so that predators cannot catch them. And due to its big size, it cannot go unnoticed in dense forest. And always remember, elephants are mostly found in those forests which are very dense, so that they can hide their body and predators cannot come very close to them. Another important thing is, elephant is found in the tropical rainforest because they require very huge amount of water. Because in tropical rainforest almost every time heavy rainfall is there, so availability of water is more, and elephant want that one. That is why they survive in that area. Another important aspect of tropical rainforest region is temperature. Since temperature is very high, that is why to cool down the body of elephant that require a large amount of water. So these are the some body features. Because of that, elephant could survive in the tropical rainforest very successfully. In this way, we have covered the tropical rainforest adaptation. Now this is the time to check your learning. So now learning outcome. In learning outcome, I will give you certain questions. You should write their answers. So the first question is, name the animals which are found in tropical rainforest. Rainforest. Second question is, write the adaptation of elephant. Write the adaptation of elephant in tropical rainforest. Third question is, write the body features of long-tailed Matthew. Matthew. So please write the answer of these three questions and submit on my same number for checking. Now in this way almost this chapter is also finished only. Only migratory birds and migration is concerned. So means it is left. So tomorrow I will teach the migration, means migratory birds and some other difficult aspects of this unit. Whatever left out portion of there, I will cover tomorrow. Day after tomorrow and afterwards, I will take the NCERT exercises. So dear cadets, keep writing this one, and what I am observing that only some of you are submitting the exercises for checking, others are not submitting. So please take care. Time and again I am reminding you that these portions once completed, nobody will touch this one. So keep writing all those things, prepare the notes so that later on when exam will be there, they will be helpful for you. And now don't feel lazy, because these things are very important. Whatever questions daily I am giving you, these should be written properly. If they are not written properly, then you will forget, and their remembrance is very, very important. So please take care, keep noting down these things and keep by hearting also. School is planning to conduct the online exam also, and on the basis of those exams you will be evaluated. So please just take these things seriously. Thank you very much.